A very common use for closures is in so-called function factories. These factories are functions that return other functions, where the returned functions are specialized in some way based on arguments to the factory. In other words, the factory function takes some arguments. It then creates a local function which takes its own arguments, but also uses the arguments passed to the factory. The combination of runtime function definition and closures makes this possible. A typical example of this kind of factory creates a function which raises numbers to a particular power. Here's how the factory looks. Raise2 takes a single argument, exp, which is an exponent. It returns a function that raises its arguments to that exponent. You can see that the local function raise2exp refers to exp in its implementation, and this means that Python will create a closure to refer to that object. If we call raise2, we can verify that it creates this closure. We can also see that square does indeed behave as we expect. And we can create other functions the same way.